Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to cover the top 50 weekly current affairs from 4th May to 10th May. This video is completely available in English language. If you are looking for the current affairs for the month of April, you can download the PDF in the description below. Let's get into the video. BCG vaccine is used against which of the following disease? Tuberculosis, typhoid, malaria, smallpox. So the answer is 8 tuberculosis. Which country ranked top in the World Press Freedom Index 2020? Sweden, Norway, Denmark, Tokyo. So Norway ranks first in this report and India ranks 142. Global Energy Transition Index released by which of the following institution? International Energy Agency, World Economic Forum, World Research Institute, the International Renewable Energy Agency. The Global Energy Transition Index, it was released by World Economic Forum every year. Atulya, a machine to kill all life forms, is recently in use. It is related to which of the following? Microwave sterilizer, windshield, stealth frigate, stealth radar. It is a microwave sterilizer. From which country India bought C-130J Super Hercules military carrier aircraft? Here you can see the aircraft. So India bought this aircraft from USA, China, Spain, Russia. So India bought it from Russia. Which of the following is correct regarding CE certification seen on goods packaging? It is issued by United States of America. It indicates conformity with health, safety and environmental protection standards. C both A and B, D none of the above. This certification, it indicates conformity with health, safety and environmental protection standards of particular goods. Which of the following article deals with the establishment of Central Administrative Tribunal? Article 212A, Article 323A, Article 322A, Article 300A. Article 323A. Which of the following is not the official language of United Nations? Japanese, Spanish, Russian, Arabic. Spanish is not the official language of United Nations. What is noodle? Here you can see the image of a noodle, a potential treatment for COVID-19, an anti-satellite missile, a dwarf planet inside the solar system, a new species of spider discovered in Western Ghats. It is an anti-satellite missile. JAGA mission aims at transforming the slums into livable habitat with all necessary civic infrastructure and services. This JAGA mission to improve the standard of slums. So it was launched by which state? West Bengal, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. So it was launched by Odisha. Which of the following country is not a part of non-aligned movement? India, China, Indonesia, Bangladesh. China is not part of non-aligned movement, but China is observer country of non-aligned movement. Indonesia has decided to shift capital from Java to Dash Island. Indonesia's present capital is Jakarta. Jakarta is situated in Java Islands. So they have decided to shift their capital from this island to which island? Borneo, Bali, Lombok, Sumatra. Borneo. Indonesia is the largest archipelago in the world. Archipelago means it's a group of islands. Neelambar Pitambar Jal Samriddhi Yojana NPJSY Agro Water Storage Units by arresting rainwater for irrigation is launched by which of the following state? Rajasthan, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha. It was launched by Jharkhand. Which of the following ministry launched Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana? Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Urban Affairs, External Affairs, Science and Tech. Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana, it was launched by Ministry of Finance. Which are the following countries to have landed crewed missions to the moon till now? Crewed missions means manned missions. That means where humans are transported to moon. USA, Russia, Canada, China. Till now only USA have achieved this feat. Which of the following is correct regarding mission? Samudra Setu. Proposed bridge between India and Sri Lanka as a part of Ramayana Heritage Circuit. An Indian Navy mission to bring back Indian citizens from overseas. A maritime route between India-Afghanistan to boost bilateral trade. Maritime Doctrine of India regarding relations with Indian Ocean countries. Mission Samudra Setu means an Indian Navy mission to bring back Indian citizens from overseas. Which of the following is correct regarding degrowth? A global slowdown due to COVID-19 pandemic, a limit to consumerist growth, a concept of perpetuity distressed MSME sector, none of the above. So degrowth means it's a limit to consumerist growth. Next, Long March 5B satellite launch vehicle recently in news. It is launched by which of the following country? China, Japan, South Korea, North Korea. Here you can see the rocket. It was launched by the China. Mouling National Park is in which of the following state? Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur. This national park is present in Arunachal Pradesh. Which of the following is not the biodiversity hotspot in India? Western Ghats, the Himalayas, the Sundarland, Manas National Park. Manas National Park is not a biodiversity hotspot. Next, African swine fever, ASF, a highly infectious viral disease that affects which animal? Pigs, dogs, rats, none. So African swine fever, it affects pigs. It was recently observed in the state of Assam. The name of the mission for largest evacuation exercise to bring back stranded Indians across the world. So due to COVID-19 lockdown, many Indians are stranded across all over the world. To bring them back to our country, our government started a mission. What was that mission? Back to Bharat mission, Vande Bharat mission, Hamara Desh, none. It was Vande Bharat mission. The basic law of Hong Kong, that means the basic constitution of Hong Kong, is the national law of which country? Indonesia, China, Malaysia, Philippines. So Hong Kong, they follow the law of China. Darbar move has been in news recently. What does it relate to? Shifting of capital between Jammu and Srinagar, checkmate within 5 moves in chess, abolishing the privy purse of royal families, moving of decision making power from parliament to PMO. So Darbar move, it is related to shifting of capital between Jammu and Kashmir. NSAFE is recently in news. A is related to which of the following? Nuclear safety, nitrogenous fertilizer, COVID-19 face mask, nuclear submarine. NSAFE is related to COVID-19 face mask. Which of the following article of Indian Constitution have the provisions related to preventive detention? So Article 20, 21, 22, 23. So preventive detention, it is related to Article 22. In which Indian city there was a toxic chemical leakage styrene that caused a disaster? Visakhapatnam, Neyveli, Nashik, Tirupur. This chemical leakage that happened in Visakhapatnam. Recently, signs of cloud bands were observed by astrophysicists on the brown dwarf Luhman 16A. Which of the following planets also show signs of cloud bands? Jupiter and Neptune, Saturn and Jupiter, Mercury and Jupiter, Mercury and Venus. So these cloud bands you can observe on Saturn and Jupiter. In which of the following city of Odisha is Jagannath temple situated? Sambalpur, Bhubaneswar, Puri, Cuttack. Jagannath temple is situated at Puri. Which of the following has the highest mangrove cover in India? Gujarat, West Bengal, Odisha, Tamil Nadu. So West Bengal has the highest mangrove cover, followed by Gujarat. World Happiness Report is released by which of the following institution? World Economic Forum, World Bank, United Nations Sustainable Development Solutions Network, UNESCO. World Happiness Report is released by United Nations Sustainable Development Solutions Network. Next, Berne Convention of 1886. It is related to which of the following? Primary healthcare, primary education, free trade market in Europe, rights of others. So this convention is related to the rights of others. Recently, which country took decision to end female genital mutilation? Sudan, Egypt, Peru, Bangladesh. Sudan. Which of the following statements is not correct about Patriot missile system? It is a long-range, all-altitude, all-weather air defense system. It is developed by Raytheon and Lockheed Martin Missiles and Fire Control. It is in service throughout the US, Germany, Greece, Israel and India. Patriot missile system, it is not in service throughout the US, Germany, Greece, Israel and India. Rashtriya E-Market Services. is an e-trading platform promoted by Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh. So Rashtriya e-market services is provided by Karnataka. Next one, Bobble, BOBBLE. Recently in news is related to monsoon predictions, vaccine delivery, human space flight, gravitational waves. Bobble, it is related to monsoon predictions. The Bay of Bengal Boundary Layer Experiment, or Bobble, in short, is a project funded by Union Ministry of Earth Sciences and the Natural Environmental Research Council of UK. So they can predict monsoons. UV blaster will help to rapidly disinfect high infection prone areas. Recently in news. It has been developed by ISRO, DRDO, ICMR, CSIR. UV blaster is developed by DRDO. Electrostatic disinfection machine produces fine spray droplets of disinfectant of 10 to 20 micrometers to kill microorganisms and virus. So this electrostatic disinfection machine, it was developed by ISRO, DRDO, CSIR, ICMR. It was developed by Super Flower Moon 2020, which occurred recently. The flower refers to which season? So this Super Flower Moon, it was occurred in autumn, spring, summer, rainy. Spring. Long March 5B, recently in news. It is a Chinese submarine rocket and spacecraft, nuclear missile, ballistic missile. It is a rocket and spacecraft. Culturing the virus refers to growing the virus in the human body, growing the virus in an animal body, growing the virus outside the human body, injecting the virus in non-affected population. So culturing the virus, it means that you have to grow the virus outside the human body. Next one, Garud portal, recently in news, is related to missile technology, drone technology, disinfectant usage, weather forecasting. Garud portal, it is related to drone technology. Next one, captive mining, recently in news, refers to mining by family members for personal consumption, mining by company for sale or commercial use, mining by company for its own consumption, mining by state-owned entities for consumption by government. Captive mining, it is referred to mining by company for its own consumption. Vesak festival marks the birth and death of Gautam Buddha, Mahavira, Shankaracharya, Bodhidharma. So Vesak festival is related to Gautam Buddha. Dash is the only mangrove forest in the world inhabited by tigers. Sundarbans Delta, Florida mangroves, Gulf of Panama, Manabi, Ecuador. Sundarbans Delta is the only mangrove forest and it is the largest mangrove forest in the world inhabited by tigers. Surging or surge type glaciers means gradual increase in length and volume of glaciers, decrease in length and volume of glaciers, rapid increase in length and volume, rapid decrease in length and volume. Surging or surge type glaciers means gradual increase in length and volume of glaciers. The Genome Database is the official central repository for genome mapping data. This data is result of which of the following project? Global Genome Project, Human Genome Initiative, World Gene Bank, UN Genome Project. So this project is the initiative of Human Genome Initiative. Chakhav, recently in news, is a variety of textile rice wheat vegetable. It is a variety of rice which is cultivated in Manipur. May Day in India was first celebrated by Labour Kisan Party of Hindustan, Communist Party of India, Kisan Mazdoor Sangathan, Workers Federation of India. So May Day in India was first celebrated by Labour Kisan Party of Hindustan. Recently the RBI had announced a special window of Rs 50,000 crore for mutual funds, MSMEs, NBFC, small banks. They had announced 50,000 crores for mutual funds. Friends, that's all this week current affairs. I am providing the link so you can download the PDF from the description below. If you find my video useful for you, please subscribe to our channel Yuvataram Education, and you can follow us on Facebook/Yuvataram Education and Instagram/Yuvataram Education for regular updates. Thank you all.